Spice up your descriptions. A journey from ordinary to extraordinary. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to take a closer look at an exciting aspect of conversational English. Our mission is to learn how to describe objects and possessions using positive and negative descriptions. So buckle up, and let's dive right into the wonderful world of adjectives and adverbs. First and foremost, we need to understand what an adjective is. Adjectives are words that we use to describe or modify other words, usually nouns. They can make our conversations and descriptions much more vibrant and engaging. Think of them as the spices that add flavor to our English communication. Let's start with some examples. An object or possession could be a red car or a comfortable chair. Here, red and comfortable are the adjectives that are giving us more information about the car and the chair. But we're not stopping at ordinary adjectives. To bring life to our conversations, we need to understand positive and negative descriptions. Positive descriptions are adjectives or adverbs that convey something good about the object or possession. For instance, if we say, "I have a reliable car," the adjective reliable conveys a positive characteristic of the car. On the other hand, negative descriptions are adjectives or adverbs that express something less desirable about the object. For instance, "I have a slow computer" uses the negative adjective slow to describe the computer. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. Think about objects or possessions that are around you right now. Can you describe them using positive and negative adjectives? Remember, practice makes perfect. For instance, you could describe your phone as innovative, but fragile, your coffee as refreshing, but bitter, or your book as intriguing, but dense. Here's the secret sauce. Mixing positive and negative descriptions can make your language more nuanced and realistic. Few things are only good or bad, right? So, when you're describing something, don't shy away from using both positive and negative adjectives. Let's take the example of a television. An ordinary description might be, "It's a big television." But we can make it extraordinary by saying, "It's a large, high-definition television with a disappointing sound system." See the difference? And that's it for today, folks. We've taken a step forward in making your English descriptions more lively and nuanced. Remember, it's all about adding that spice to your English conversations. Practice using positive and negative descriptions with different objects and possessions, and you'll become a master in no time. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure.